Hello, wonderful fourth grade families. My name is Miss Yatsco, and many of you have probably heard me in the backgrounds of your homes all year. I'm the UNM student teacher, and I've been working closely with Miss Gonzalez and this wonderful class all year long. And this is my final semester of student teaching, so I have some very important updates as far as my full assumption, as well as some other information about the month of March coming up. So, first of all, my full assumption will begin on Monday, March 8th, so next Monday, and it will go all the way until April 6th. Now, essentially, this is my final requirement from the University of New Mexico before I graduate in May. And I will be teaching the class, running the class for 3 consecutive weeks during this time. So, all of the posting assignments, grading assignments, instructional lessons throughout the day, those will all be my responsibilities. Miss Gonzalez will continue to help me and support me behind the scenes as well as facilitating several small groups during the day. So she and I will be working closely together even still. And essentially, I will be taking on the responsibilities of a general education teacher before I actually earn my license. So I'm really looking forward to it. Like I said, we have been preparing all year long for this. I am just so excited. And this is a wonderful group of students. So I know that they will be very supportive of me as well. We also have some exciting announcements. The next Thursday and Friday, the 11th and 12th, are packet pickup at the school. So packet pickup from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. on both days. The buckets will be outside of the school in their same usual location. This month, we also have our Scholastic Online Book Fair happening. So this is a great way to support our wonderful, amazing school. When the link comes to us, we will send it out to the students and as well as you. And feel free to look around, see if there's anything that you would like to purchase. It really helps support the school. So that is exciting. Today on the 1st, the Sign Up Genius link was sent to you so that you can schedule your best time for parent-teacher conferences because those are approaching quickly. So conferences will happen on the 18th and 19th. There will be no regular school for the students on this day. However, we will see you for your scheduled conference time. So I look forward to seeing all of you. We also have spring break this month, so we can all get some much needed rest at the end of the month, starting from the 22nd and going through the 26th. A nice long spring break, and then we can come back. I will finish the rest of my full assumption, and at that point, I will transition the responsibilities back to Stephanie, and she will finish out the year as the primary teacher of the class again. So it is going to be a wonderful, amazing month. I am so excited to be working with this group of students. Last week, there was a letter sent by Ms. Gonzalez on behalf of me. In the letter, it gave you more information about my full assumption, and it provided my contact information. So my email, if you need to get a hold of me for any questions or if you just needed help with something. I'm also available every single day on Google Classroom during office hours. So especially during my full assumption, if you families have anything that you need from me, I'll be happy to help you out. Just let me know. Thank you so much for listening. I'm looking forward to this and have a great day.